Hello everyone and welcome back to Cute Crochet. My name is Sri and in today's video I am going to show you how you can make this tiny little star applique. These are so simple and easy to make. These are only 2 rounds and you can use it to spruce up any project, say a bag, a hat or a scarf. I have used this star many times in my Unicorn Dreams blanket, most notably for my Starry Night square. Also on the bum of this unicorn, so cute, and on top of this Christmas tree. As you can see, a star has lots of different uses. So let's get started. Here I am using 4-ply yarn and with it I am going to use a 3mm crochet hook. We are going to start by making a magic circle. To do that, wrap your yarn up and over your finger like so, forming a cross in the front. Then insert your hook underneath the cross. Take the yarn from the other side and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook, and that finishes the magic circle. We are going to make 5 single crochets into this magic circle. Chain 1 to start. To make a single crochet, insert your hook into the magic circle and pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, and that finishes 1 single crochet. We are going to make 4 more single crochets into this magic circle in the same way, working over that tail. After you have finished making the 5 single crochet, pull on that tail to cinch the circle closed. Then slip stitch on top of that first single crochet to join, and that brings you to the end of round 1. For round 2, chain 3 to start. Then we are going to skip the first chain and make a slip stitch into the second chain. Go in through the front loop of that chain and pull your yarn through all the loops on your hook. Into the next chain, we are going to make a single crochet. And that finishes one point of the star. Into the next stitch, we are going to make a slip stitch, which is this stitch right here. And that joins one point in place. For the next point, again chain 3. Into the second last chain from the hook, make a slip stitch. Then into the next chain, make 1 single crochet. Then slip stitch into the next stitch to join. And that makes another point for the star. We are going to make 5 points in total. Here I have finished making the last point and I am going to slip stitch on top of the fake stitch created by the slip stitch earlier to join. And then we are going to chain 1 and fasten off, leaving a long enough tail to sew on the applique. Or if you are going to use it as is, then you can leave a short tail and just weave it in. And there we go, this is our applique all complete. You can adjust the points a little bit to make it look more pointed and symmetrical. When you are sewing it on, be careful not to ruin the points of the star. If you have noticed, the stars on my Starry Night square are a lot smaller than the star I have made today, and this is simply because I used the thinner yarn for those. This is a crochet thread but one that is on the thicker side. I understand this is also called a sock wet yarn, and if you look at the two yarns side by side, you will notice that it is quite a bit thinner than the 4-ply yarn that we have used today. With it, I had used a thread hook which is 1.9 millimeters. This is a trick to scale your crochet projects up and down without changing the pattern at all by simply changing out the yarn and the hook for your project. This works for all crochet projects but especially for amigurumis. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!